Hi, in this video I will show you how you can fix a problem with a pop-up screen. So you can see here, the screen is popping up right here or popping off. So here I'm going to show you how you can fix it without actually taking the screen apart. Some people prefer not to take the screen apart, but the safest way is to actually take out the screen apart and then fix it. So if you don't really want to take the screen apart, here's what you can do. I'll use this B6000 glue. It's a bit like rubber glue, so it's not super glue. Super glue can burn the screen. This one is like rubber, and after it dry, you can easily clean the leftover. So I'm just going to open this one up, and it comes with this really tiny nozzle, so that is really handy as well. So I'm just going to squeeze in. I'm not sure if I have a lot left, so I'm going to try to squeeze it on. Looks like it's a little bit stuck here, so I'm trying to poke it open. So there it is, the glue. So using a nozzle, it can make things a lot easier. So let's see if I can try to squeeze it through with a nozzle. I don't have a lot left. This is an old glue that I have. There it is. So it's coming out now, as you can see. So what we want to do is to lift up the screen slightly, so you can see it's coming off right here. So I'm just turning on the screen. So be very careful when you do this. If you're not careful, and if you if you use too much pressure and overdo it, it can take the whole screen off, and you know, the screen will break. So just be very careful when doing this. And I'm just going to squeeze a bit of glue in here, just on the corner only. Don't try to do it elsewhere. So just squeeze a bit of glue in there. You can squeeze a bit of glue along the side as well. So just squeeze a little bit. As I say, because I'm running out of glue, so I just need to squeeze it really hard. So here I'm just going to put a bit of glue on the side here as well. This glue is very easy to clean later. I'm just trying to squeeze a little bit and then put it in there. Don't worry, it's very easy to clean with this glue, B6000. Once it's dry, you can easily clean it. So it's just like rubber, so you can basically just easily clean it once it's dry. So you can put a bit of here as well onto the side. The main thing is to get the right glue. If you don't have the right glue, then you know it can be a big job. But if you've got the right glue, don't put too much, just a tiny bit is all you need. And then just make sure that I have enough here. I just put a little bit on the corner here as well. Not sure if I have enough right here in the corner. So just make sure I have enough right in there. Then I'm just going to squeeze it down. It does look a little bit messy, as I say. The right way is to take the screen out to do it. But if you really worry you don't want to take the screen out, you can just leave it like that. Now I'm just going to get something clean. So I'm just going to get a soft cotton to clean it. Once it's dry, it will become like rubber, so you can easily just remove it. So don't worry, it's a bit of a mess now. So once it's dry, it will be like rubber. As I say, the main thing is to use the right glue. If you have the right glue, it should work easily. So here, it's starting to dry already, so I'm just going to rub it off. You can see here, I'm going to rub it off, and it looks like rubber, so you can just easily rub it off. without damaging the phone. So, and here it is, you can see it's starting to dry out. So I'm just going to rub it off. You can see, come off nice and easy. Now it takes some time for the glue to cure on the inside, so you can see. So try to squeeze it for sometimes, and you can see it stay in place now. But the main thing is you have to squeeze it for some time to give it enough time to dry. Once it have enough time to dry, it will tend to stay in place and will not come back out again. So just hold it with pressure. So I find this glue is really helpful, B6000. Now if you want to do a proper job, then it's best that you take the screen out. I have another videos where I will show you how you can do a proper job taking out the whole screen. But if you're not feeling confident, you can just do it like this. And you know, you can put the phone on some kind of surface like a book, not something too heavy that you want to scratch the screen, and let it dry out. Wait and let it dry out. You know, don't try to use too much force on the screen. Leave it maybe for an hour or two, give it some time to dry, and yeah, that will fix your screen popping out problems on the iPhone 5 without having to take the whole screen out. So turn on the screen here. So everything looks fine. So it's all working fine. Nothing is damaged. Again, like I say, if you pull the screen, the glass out too much, it can damage the digitizer and cause the phone to damage. So be very, very careful when you lift up the glass, not to overdo it. There you go, and that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.